What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty, you should be that squishy to you. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't tripping, she got a ghost. Shorty, she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with Junoda here. This is not my first time working with them. I worked with them a few times before, but yeah, I'm so pumped and hyped about this wig because listen, let me just open it first and y'all go see why I'm hyped. So I get my baggie, I got my wig and the little goodies. I believe this is probably a bonnet, and this is a cute bonnet. Is this a big pink bonnet? Oh yeah, I don't have this color, so yeah, I'm definitely be wearing this. If you guys know, like I have so many different color bonnets, it's not even funny. But this is the wig, y'all, right? So I received a 22-inch 150 density a 4x4 closure wig, right? But this is not your ordinary closure wig, honey, all right? This is a glueless pre-cut. Yes, pre-cut, y'all. I've been seeing pre-cut wigs all over TikTok, and I've been fiending to get my hand on a pre-cut wig, y'all. This is a glueless pre-cut wig, y'all. Look at this wig. I just took this wig straight out the packaging. Pre-cut 4x4. Oh my god, y'all, and it has the breathable cap, y'all. I feel like whenever I put on a wig, my scalp just start itching crazy, and you know we can never really get to our scalp because of the cap, right? Y'all, this is a breathable cap. You see this? This is my hands through it. So if I need to go itch my wig, oh honey, I'll be able to itch my wig with no problem, y'all. Like I said, this is a glueless hold on, first of all, do you guys see this hairline? And the baby hairs and stuff. Okay, let me get out the frame so y'all can focus. Do y'all see this? I just took this out the packaging. Oh my god. Alright, Junoda. This is my first pre-cut wig and I am absolutely in love already. I really don't have to do much. I'll probably just add my makeup to the lace. But other than that, y'all, this is going to be a fast installation, literally beginner friendly, no glue, no nothing, because they have the bands inside, which I'm going to put really tight. So yeah, I went ahead and I put my makeup on the cap, right? Do you see how HD this lace is, y'all? Like, I'm hyped. So let me take this off, right? Y'all, like I said, this is a glueless, pre-cut, breathable cap. You literally have to do nothing. The job is already done for you. Literally, the job is already done. So all you do is take the wig. Y'all saw me just take the wig out the box. So you guys already know I got y'all with an exclusive discount code. It's going to be in the link down below in the description box. So let's put this on. Put the pin under my... Y'all. This is me, y'all. Nah, what? Yo, of course I gotta fix up the part and stuff, but yo, this is the wig straight out the box, yo. Straight out the box, and it's giving scalp Nina, it's giving nothing. When I say beginner friendly, this is really beginner friendly, y'all. And look, this is glueless. Like, I could put the band tighter if I wanted to, but I don't really want to. Alright, let me put it just a little bit tighter. And this hair is mad soft. Okay, so I just put it tighter, right? Y'all, this is literally a slap on and go wig, y'all. This wig is not... Do you see this? This wig is not going nowhere. Oh my god, and I can literally... Y'all, I can reach my scalp, like... My scalp is right there. Yeah, Junoda done changed the game up. I literally just installed my wig. I'm about to go ahead and do my baby hairs. And this is us literally installing our wig within 5 minutes. I don't even have to straighten my hair. And if I do, which I am, all I gotta do is just take big sections because the hair is already really straight. so I don't have to really like go in and style the hair for real. So this is literally gonna be my throw on wig, where I just like throw on and go when I really don't feel like styling a wig for real and doing all the extraness with the gluing. Y'all, this wig is literally a throw on and go. Like, and it's flat. I'm so surprised how flat this wig is. Yeah, I'm so happy I finally got my hands on a pre-cut wig, a pre-cut lace wig, y'all. Oh my god, now I see the hype. I thought the girls, I ain't gonna hold you, I thought the people on TikTok was kind of dragging it. Like, no way is laying that flat straight out the box. Y'all, straight out the box. Straight out the box, y'all. No bleaching, no nothing. Look at that, the hair is straight. The hair is straight. It was already straight, but I just made it more straight. And this hair is mad soft. Yeah. Nah, this hair is mad soft, y'all. Okay, so let me go ahead and fix up the baby hair. And literally, this is us installing our wig within 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes. What? Okay, so the lace is still very much glueless. I'm getting my stuff out so I can lay my baby hair. So the hair is already laid. I don't have to do much like I said. I'm gonna go ahead and just fix up my middle part. Make sure it's in the middle correctly. Just like so. I'm gonna mold that down with my got to be. All this stuff you don't have to do. This is just me. Like that's it. And I'm just gonna flatten that down my hot comb, y'all. Y'all, this wig is straight out the box. Oh my god. Nah, Junoda just changed the game. And like I said, you guys know I got y'all with a discount code, y'all. The link is going to be in the description box. Go ahead and grab you a pre-cut, breathable, oh my god, wig, bro. This is a wig, and it's still very much glueless. So let me go ahead and do my baby hair. Let me pin this away so I can do my baby hair. And I love how they already have baby hair out for me. They literally already have the baby hair out. Okay, what did I just do? This was the baby hair. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut that a little shorter. Just like so. I'm gonna put my Ghost Bond. I keep calling this Ghost Bond. My boho gel on my edges. It's been a while since I've talked in the hair video, but I feel like this video I had to talk in, like, cause this is ridiculous. Like, this is unbelievable. I can't believe I finally got one of these wigs, and I can't believe it's really as easy as people said. Like, I really thought they was capping. You know, people be capping on the internet, y'all. Like, people really be capping on the internet. Like, I'm kind of struggling because I can't see what I'm doing. Time to do the other side. I love how the wig companies are just like picking up on game. Like, they're always improving, and I love that. Like, I love that. They trying to stay hip to the trend, and I love that for them. Go put our ghost. Not why I keep saying Ghost Bond. What the heck is Ghost Bond? Where am I getting that from? Okay. To my edges once again. Comb my hair back down, and then boom, y'all. Like, my hair is done. Like, my hair is done. Literally everything about this wig, y'all, is giving. Look how flat this hair is. Like, oh my god. Like I said, I got 22 inches, y'all. Everything about this hair is giving. The wig is flowing. Look at this body, honey. If I cut this into a bob, oh yeah. The bob is gonna be bobbing, y'all. This hair is so freaking soft and full. Like, y'all, yeah. Y'all go ahead and grab your wig, y'all. This hair is really hitting. Just like that, my hair is done, y'all. This has been literally the easiest wig I've ever received in my life. I've never received an easy wig like this before. That's pre-cut, edges there, knots damn near bleached, part slayed, hair slayed, wig flat, breathable cap. Like, I've never received a wig damn near done like I said. So I would highly recommend Junoda hair, especially to my beginner friendly people and to my people who don't really have time to do their hair sometimes in the morning. For me, gotta just up and go. I will highly recommend this wig. Like I said, I literally did my hair in under 5 minutes. Y'all, is my baby hair coming up? I gotta go ahead and lay these baby hairs down so they can look more, you know. But yeah, I did my hair in under 5 minutes, and I would highly recommend. Like I said, I got a discount code for you guys. The link will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and grab you the same wig. All the information gonna be in the description box, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.